So again, so here, semi-major axis. Okay, major axis is the whole long thing. It's semi, so half of it, and that we know it's equal to a. A is equal to 4. And what I said earlier is you always need to sketch them whenever they give you something to plot. So you have -3, -4. So -3, -4. That's your center. All right. Say thank you to the information, and now you go ahead and write down the equations: x plus 3 square over something, and then y plus 4 square over something is equal to 1. Oh, you know a is equal to 4, so then we need to think about, where do we put the 16? Is it below the x? Is it below the y? We need to know whether it is horizontal or vertical. It tells you that there's a focus. What's the focus? 0, -4. And if you just take a quick glance at it, and this is why you need to draw. If you don't draw it, you are making this 100 times more difficult. So based on your knowledge of the foci, you have one focus right here. Can you tell where is the other focus approximately? To the left of the center, right? So somewhere right there, okay? Do we need to know the coordinates? Well, we will find that out if we need to. But what is the most important thing is that, hey, do we know the orientation of the ellipse now? What's the orientation of the ellipse? Horizontal. Because the foci are always on the major axis. That's why drawing is so important. You cannot easily tell whether it's vertical or horizontal if you just stare at these coordinates and numbers. It's just difficult. I try not to draw. And then I realize that I've got to. So once you know it's horizontal, you know the a value being 4, then you know 16 should go underneath the x. So again, we need to find the b square. Hey, you know the foci, you know the location, you know the location of one's focus here. That means we should know what? The c value. What is the c value? The distance between the center and the focus is 3. Okay, it's very tempting to say 4, but it's 3. So c is equal to 3, a is equal to 4. So c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared, and you rearrange the terms. So b squared is equal to a squared minus c squared, and a squared is 16, and c squared is 9. So b squared is 7. So b squared is 7. And ta-da, we have the equation. Okay, so again, make good use of the information that's provided to you. Draw the pictures, draw the dots, get the idea, okay, sketch whether it's horizontal or vertical. Make sure you do that. Yeah, even though they tell you it's horizontal, still draw a horizontal. Just keep your mind in a very good path, and you are trying your very best to eliminate any kind of accident from happening. Okay.